Welcome to the video tutorial on Nirmala College Ranchi online admission process. Through this video, you will get an idea of how to register online to create a student account, how to log in to your student account to apply online for admission, and how to track the status of your online application form. Step 1. Online registration and creation of student account. For this process, please open your web browser and type the URL www.nirmalacollegeranchi.com. This will take you to the website of Nirmala College Ranchi. On the top right corner of this home page, you will find the link Admission 2020 Apply Online. Clicking on this link opens up a new window for online registration. Filling and submitting this form will create a student account which is required to apply online for admission. To register online, please enter the course information by selecting the program, course, and session of your choice. After that, type your full name, a valid mobile number, an email ID, and then click on the Register Now button. This notification of an enrollment number and password displayed on your screen indicates a successful registration and creation of your student account. Please note down this number and password for your reference. You will also receive a login ID and password on your registered email ID and mobile number. Step 2. Student Account Login. On the top right corner of the college website home page, please click on the link Student Login. This opens up a new window for Student Account Login. Please enter the ID and password received in Step 1 and click on the Login button to enter your account. This is your profile home page. Step 3. Applying online for admission. Before filling up the admission form, please visit the college website to know the details of admission procedure and the fee structure for different programs. By clicking on the prospectus link, you can download the document to understand the course structure and subject combinations available for different programs. Then scan and save the soft copies of your photograph, signature, and certificates required for admission on your computer. Once you are ready, log in to your student account. Now, click on the Make Payment button to pay the fee for accessing the online admission form. This will direct you to a gateway for online payment to complete the transaction. After successful payment of the application fee, please go to the left panel of your student account and click on the Form Fill Up link. This will open up the admission form. Now, fill the subject information on this page by selecting the subjects of your choice from the drop-down lists. Then, click on the Save and Continue button to move on to the next page. Your data update is successful. After this, you can move on to fill up your personal information. After filling up your subject and personal information, please click on the Save and Continue button to move on to the next page. In this section, you will have to upload your photograph, signature, and certificates, that is, admit card, mark sheet, and registration slip. For example, to upload a certificate, click on the drop-down menu and select the certificate name. Then click on the Choose File button to select the file saved in your computer. After that, click on the Upload button to upload that document. In the same way, please upload your other certificates. Then your photograph and your signature. By clicking on the Preview button, you can view and verify your complete application form. After verification, please click on the Lock Your Information button to submit your form. After verification of admission forms and documents, eligible applicants are shortlisted for admission. This process might take a few days. Step 4. Admission process and tracking the application status. To track your application status, please log in to your student account. If shortlisted for admission, then go to the left panel and click on the link Admission Process. Now, read this self-declaration properly and check this box. Then, click on Accept and Continue. To complete your admission process, please enter the admission fee as mentioned in the course fee structure and then click on the Pay Now button. This will direct you to a payment gateway to complete your transaction. After the successful payment of your admission fee, please upload your college living certificate or your school living certificate, your caste certificate if applicable, and your character certificate. Your online admission will be confirmed and notified by the admission office after the verification of your documents. In case of any difficulty related to account handling or for any other query, please click on the Help Center on the left panel of your account. On the message box, type your message and then send it. The help desk will respond to your queries and guide you with a solution. For more details, please visit the college website www.nirmalacollegeranchi.com.